Hey, what's up everyone? Got a couple packages today. Thought I would kind of share. Since I've had, let's see, as of yesterday, caught 28 swarms. I decided to try and make things a little bit easier for catching swarms, so I ordered something last week and it finally got here today. It comes from Lockhart, Texas. So, show you guys what this is. And for those of you that are not beekeepers, it may sound kind of weird, but it's a bee vacuum. So everything is all set up for these, so that way you can actually vacuum bees up inside here, and it don't hurt them. It's very low pressure, and you can just vacuum them up, and you can bring them back and put them in the hive. It's all battery operated, so no need for a plug. And so this is what it is. Yeah. Different vents and screens. I got the charger down there in the bottom, and I think that's all that's in there is just a charger. Yeah, just a battery charger. So next swarm call I get, I will plan on trying this out. Hopefully I can make a video from it and see what happens. And but yeah, so this is everything BVAC. There's instructions here. I think it's instructions. Assembly, operation, verify all the parts. Yep. So I didn't get, there's 3 different levels of stuff. I just got the cheapest one. Next up you get a couple different nozzle fittings and straps to make it into a backpack. So that's package number 1. And let me put this off to the side. I got another package that showed up this morning. Nice little surprise. We have queens from Jose Uribe, California beekeeper. He ended up sending. That's some strong tape. Try and get this open here. He actually sent these yesterday, overnighted them, overnight air, so they got here. Hang on one second here. This is some good tape he uses. Holy cow! All right, back with you. Got this all figured out now. I thought it was a flip open lid, but it just comes straight off. So there we go. We got 10 queens in there, carniolan queens, and got some food on a sponge. So that's what we got right now. Put these back, put that back on. Those are all the nurse bees, come with it. So later on, I got a bunch of nukes over there set up, and make another video and take you along and install a couple of these. But yeah, so I'm gonna get going on these, get all these queens introduced to their new homes. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks to Everything BVAC, and thank you, Jose Uribe, California beekeeper. I'll drop the link below to Jose's website, and also for the Everything BVAC.